Well, hello everybody, my ukulele mantra friends. I thought it's time to do the OM MANI PADME HUM. It's a version of Deva Premal and Miten. I'm going to learn you this version in different styles, in fingerstyle. I'm going to show you two possibilities, and the island strum and the down strum. Before I'm going to learn you the different versions, let's look at the chords. We need the G. Let me see. G. It's the C. And it's the D. And of course, if you watched already more tutorials, you know that I have a low G on my uke. So let's look at the down strum version. So the down strum, let me play it for you. Oh, mani padme hum. 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 Okay, the down strum version. Get your position on G. Intro 4 times. Ready? Oh, mani padme hum. To C. Oh, mani padme G on hum. Stay in G. Om mani padme hum to D. Om mani padme on G hum. Again, D. Om mani padme G hum. Again. Om mani padme hum. C. Om mani padme hum on G. Sorry. Om mani padme hum to D. Om mani padme G hum. Same. Om mani padme hum. Last time. Om mani padme hum to C. Om mani padme G hum. Om mani padme hum to D. Om mani padme hum on G to D. Om mani padme hum on G. Now I'm going to show you the two fingerstyle picking patterns which you're going to use or can use for the OM MANI PADME HUM. 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 Oh, 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 mani padme hum. Okay, that was the first one. Now the second one. Oh, mani padme hum. Oh, mani padme hum. Oh, mani padme hum. Oh, mani padme Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum. Okay, the fingerstyle picking pattern 1. It's the pattern you already had in other tutorials. Is the 1 and 4 picking. 2, 3, 2. And sometimes I pick 1, 2, 3, but I will explain it to you and I will put it somewhere here below. Okay, get your position in G and your fingers on string 1 and 4. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Om Mani Padme Hum. See? Om Mani Padme G Hum. Stay in G. Om Mani Padme Hum. D. Om Mani Padme G Hum. To D again. Om Mani Padme G Hum. Of course, I play it really slow now, huh? And then you can end like this. Okay, fingerstyle picking 2. What I'm doing here is that I'm using, of course, the same chords, but I use a different picking style. And what I do is 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1. So I will show you the first line that you get an idea. So it's like Om Mani Padme Hum. Then I add a few strings, which I'm going to show you below. Let's get again in position G. Ready? I play it really slow. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Om Mani Padme Hum. See? Om Mani Padme G Hum. Stay in G. Om Mani Padme Hum. D. Om Mani Padme Hum on G. Repeat to D. Om Mani Padme Hum on G. And now, last but not least, the island strum. Om Mani Padme Hum. 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 So island strum for Om Mani Padme Hum. You know the island strum if you watched other tutorials, but if this is your first tutorial, let me show you the island strum. It goes down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So, Om Mani Padme Hum. Position on G. First the intro. 1, 2, 3, 4. Om Mani Padme Hum. See? Om Mani Padme G Hum. Stay on G. Om Mani Padme Hum. D. Om Mani Padme Hum. Repeat. Om Mani Padme Hum. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial about Om Mani Padme Hum and the different styles of playing. I hope to see you next time again for the next tutorial. I wish you a lovely day. Stay healthy, take care, and shine your light. Bye bye. Namaste.